Question 6. What are the missing numbers in this sequence? Now, this is one that's commonly done incorrectly, this one. So what sometimes people do is they look at the big jump from 110 to 65 and they find the difference. So 110 take away 65. 0 take 5 you can't do, so borrow. 10 take 5 is 5. 0 take 6 you can't do, so borrow. 10 take 6 is 4. So they find out that the big jump is going down in 45. Well, then what they try and do is they see that there's two empty spaces, so they think they've got to split the big jump of 45 into 2. So they try and divide it by 2. And half of 45, well, half of 40 is 20, and half of 5 is 2.5. So you put the two together, it would be 22.5. So they think they've got to go down 22.5 from here, and then down another 22.5 to here. But that actually is wrong, because if you go down 22.5 from 110, down 20 would be to 90, and then down 2.5 from 90 would be 87.5. But then if you go down 20 again, would be 67.5, and down 2.5 would be 65. So what that's going to do is it will get you to 65, but it will land you on 65 on the third number of the sequence. And that's wrong, because you shouldn't be hitting 65 until the fourth number of the sequence. 65 is the fourth number of the sequence, and we've landed on 65 on the third number of the sequence. So that's basically wrong, because we should never have divided it by 2. Yes, there are 2 empty spaces, and the big jump is 45, but we shouldn't be dividing the big jump of 45 by 2 empty spaces. What we should have done is realize that although there are 2 empty spaces, there are actually 3 little jumps. So we're doing one jump from 110 to this empty space. We're doing a second jump from this empty space to this empty space. And we're doing a third jump from the empty space to 65. So this big jump of 45 actually should have been split into 3 smaller jumps. And 45 divided by 3 is 15 in each smaller jump. So instead of coming down 22.5, which was incorrect, we should have come down 15. So take away 15, take away 15, take away 15, and that should land us on 65. So 110 take away 15 is going to take you down to 95. 95 take away 15 is going to take you down to 80. And 80 take away 15 is going to get you down to 65. So that works. So just to recap, it was the big jump, not divided by 2 because there was 2 empty spaces, but it was the big jump divided by 3 because there's 3 smaller jumps to jump between all of the numbers and empty spaces. So missing numbers are 95 and 80.